हाउ वी शैल प्रैक्टिस एट होम, कि अपने आप अकेले में प्रैक्टिस कैसे कर सकता है कोई, बिकॉज विदाउट दिस यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू succeed. Now it is written Zara home. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's connect. I hope you all are practicing, seeing the videos. And आप लोग का क्या progress है ये मुझे पता नहीं है. You all know it better. क्योंकि अगर 21 days अगर आप rigorously practice करोगे तो progress आपको 21 days बाद result आपको मिल जाएगा, right? But for that you'll have to practice. Today we are just going to talk about how we shall practice at home, okay? Because हमेशा हमारे पास कोई होगा तो बात करेंगे, तभी जाके सीखेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, okay? हमें अपना जो environment है उसको अपने आप ही create करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि मैंने जो फर्स्ट डे का सेशन में मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था 4 points, right? उसमें से जो थर्ड पॉइंट है that is about environment, right? Creating our own environment where we can speak in English. So अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 का वीडियो नहीं देखा है, ऊपर में आपको लिंक मिलेगा. You can click on that and you can go and watch those videos if you want. Now before starting, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe. Let's connect and जुड़े रहेगा 21 days के लिए for learning English. Okay? So today क्या आप सोचे हो कि अपने आप अकेले में प्रैक्टिस कैसे कर सकता है कोई? बोरिंग है? No, not at all. It is not at all boring, because if you can give little bit of time to yourself, you will really start, first of all, loving yourself. You will start loving what you're doing, right? Like practicing, you're giving time to yourself, so you are going to love practicing yourself. किसी का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. तो how are we going to do that? पहला तो है मिरर प्रैक्टिस, जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, राइट? वो कभी भी कहीं पे भी खड़े होकर कर सकते हो. सेकंड है आप कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट उठा लो, जैसे आई हैव दिस ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, ओके? दिस इज़ व्हाट? दिस इज़ अ हेयर स्ट्रेटनर, ओके? टेम्पररी हेयर स्ट्रेटनर. दिस इज़ ऑफ सी. कभी भी कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर आप डिफाइन कर रहे हो, वो वाला ऑब्जेक्ट को देखो, पहले तो उसका क्या शेप है, क्या कलर है, फिर वो कौन सा कंपनी का है, वो क्या काम का आता है, ये सारे चीज़ों को आप इंग्लिश में एक सेंटेंस बनाओ, कनेक्टर्स के साथ ज्वाइन करो और उसको बोलते रहो मन ही मन में, ठीक है? यू कैन डू दिस. आई एम श्योर ये कोई भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आसपास में बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं. तो इसी को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. दिस इज़ अ Philips hair straightener. This is black in color. It has a long wire and it is used for straightening hair. This is a very handy product because we can carry this anywhere that we want during while we are traveling. So see, I've used connectors like and, while. So these are connectors. I'm connecting two sentences and I'm trying to converse, right? So this is something that I described. Very simple. Now we can take this. What is this? Can you all see what is this? This is a Center Fresh mint box. Okay, this is rectangular in shape. See, rectangular in shape. It has blue color on it, so this is blue in color. Now, याद है मेरा कुछ पिछले दिनों कुछ videos था this and these में. So this is a box and from inside what I'm taking out, these. देखो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, so क्या बोलेंगे पास में? These are mints. This is a box. So this singular है, these plural है. Let me put it inside. Okay, so these are mints inside, okay? And this is a box. So mints are used for as mouth freshener. So you can use these mints if you want, okay? Now this is a duster, okay? Now this is also, see, rectangular in shape, but the prism is actually not fully rectangular, but then let's take this as rectangular shape duster. This is blue and black in color. It is used for dusting writing boards. This is used mostly by teachers and students, okay? Now I have This is another object. How will you describe this object? This is a wooden toy. This has 4 wheels. Okay, देखो 4 है plural तो इसलिए wheels. This is a wooden toy. क्योंकि wooden जो है W is a consonant. A wooden toy. This has 4 wheels and this is movable. ये move होता है. So we can say what? This part is movable. Okay, so see we are describing, हम लोग single sentences बना रहे हैं, कभी कभी connectors के साथ we are joining the sentences. So you all will start practicing like this at home now. Let's take this. What is this? This is a box. Okay, now it is written Zara home. So here inside the box is a candle. Okay, so this is a candle box which is again rectangular in shape. This is some marker inside. Okay, so again we are describing things like this. So it's very simple. Okay, take anything that is there around you, आसपास में. Take anything which is around you, pick it up and start describing. Okay, एक sentence, 2 sentences, 3 sentences, कुछ भी हो, but start connecting the sentences अगर ज़रूरत है. So you will be able to learn how to converse with people. So describing sentences while cooking or while you're working in your office or maybe while you're walking on the road or in the market will really help you, and you will not need anybody to practice with you in English. क्योंकि अगर आप अपने साथ ये चीज़ करोगे, आपका जो environment है, आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है कि सब लोग आपसे इंग्लिश में बात करें, आप खुद भी सीख जाओगे. Okay, now apart from describing objects and mirror practice, what else can you do? You can watch few shows in Netflix. Apart from Netflix, there are lot of YouTube channels. I can tell you a show, Coffee with Karan. Okay, now you might like the show, you might not like the show, but जो लोग वहाँ पे आते हैं सारे लोग इंग्लिश में ही बात करते हैं. Though they all work in Bollywood film industry, but then they all speak in English. So if you listen to them, the words that they use there, you can learn from there. Okay, वो show आपको पसंद आए चाहे नहीं आए, that's a different thing, but start watching that show. That will really help you. Apart from that, there are few movies in Netflix like Enola Holmes, Little Women, Anne with an E. So these are few shows like Decoupled. These are few shows in Netflix which you can watch with the subtitles on, so that you can read while you are listening. You will be able to learn new words and try using them in your daily routine as in when it is required. जहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पे यूज़ मत करो, उसका मतलब ढूंढ लो and try to use it every day. Okay, so these are few ways how you can practice, how you can create an environment. Okay, because without this you will not be able to succeed. 21 days भी नहीं होगा. So please do practice these things whichever I have told you. Okay, whichever methods that I have told you. Now I wanted to say another thing to you all today, that is intonation. Okay, now you might be thinking, what is intonation? Intonation is something which is very important in any language. Okay, जैसे हम लोग टोन पे ध्यान देते हैं ना हिंदी में जब बात करते हैं, या फिर कोई भी दूसरा लैंग्वेज, इंडिया का जो भी नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, हम लोग मदर टंग में जब बात करते हैं बहुत टोन पे ध्यान देते हैं. जैसे क्वेश्चन अगर पूछ रहे हैं तो उसको अगर क्वेश्चन के तरीके से नहीं पूछे तो लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा, राइट? तो जैसा सेंटेंस है वो अगर क्वेश्चन है तो क्वेश्चन जैसा पूछे, अगर नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट है तो स्टेटमेंट जैसा उसको बोले. सो द सेम थिंग with English also. You will have to take care of your intonation as well. That is, if it is a statement, then we give a full stop. If it's an interrogative sentence, that is question mark देते हैं तो उसको question जैसा we should ask. Like, अगर हम लोग बोले what is your name? My name is Andrela Mondal and after that I will be going to office. After this I'll be teaching. So it's very boring. So you should always take care of your tone inside. Like, my name is Andrela and today after teaching y'all I will be going to office. After that, I'm thinking I'm going to have a wonderful day today. So जब भी ये सारे words use करते like wonderful day today. So I am giving stress on few words. So ये English में भी आप लोगों को, इंग्लिश में क्या कोई भी लैंग्वेज में आपको ये बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कि जो जो वर्ड्स हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस देना है, कहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप देना है, क्वेश्चन को क्वेश्चन के तरीके से बोले, राइट? तो जो आपसे बात कर रहा है वो आपके साथ अच्छे से कॉन्वर्सेशन में आ पाएगा. अदरवाइज द कॉन्वर्सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी बोरिंग and you will again feel demotivated that I am not being able to speak in English. So today, what are you all going to practice? Describing any object in and around you. Okay, pick up any object, describe it. Think about intonation and practice intonation whenever you are describing. Okay, next, okay, now another thing, in description, how will you practice? Like for example, you have a cream, okay, or maybe your hair sweet. Okay, so today you all are going to practice describing objects. Intonations, जब भी practice करोगे object को describe करना, उसमें tone अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. Okay? जो आप sentence बना रहे हो, उसमें आपको कैसे tone में बात करना है, क्योंकि tone अगर गड़बड़ा गया तो आपका सुंदर वाला जो सेंटेंस है वो भी बड़ा रूड लग सकता है, और रूड वाला सेंटेंस को आप सुंदर से भी बोल सकते हो तो काम उसमें आएगा नहीं, राइट? सो इफ़ यू आर बीइंग अथॉरिटेटिव एंड आपका टोन वैसा नहीं है, इट विल नॉट वर्क. इफ़ यू आर बीइंग वेरी पोलाइट बट योर टोन इज नॉट राइट, देन द अदर पर्सन इज गोइंग टू टेक यू रॉन्ग. सो इन लैंग्वेज you should, in any language, you should be very careful and you all should practice tone, okay, intonation, which will really help you. So please do practice whatever I have taught you all, day 1, day 2, day 3, today is going to be day 4. So आज बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ, कुछ ग्रामर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ practice, okay? And see you in another video with something else as a topic, so that you all can practice more and more. Till then, bye and have a wonderful day.